Now, the topic is describe something that saves your time.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Today my topic is save your time. Time is very valuable for everyone. For instance, if you lost money, if you lost reputations, if you lose reputations, but it is nothing special, for my opinion. But time is very important because it's never come back. So, to sum up, we could save your time for do any activities. For examples, we could participate in sport activities like crickets, tennis for extra. But I save my times in usually to read articles for the about the environmental environmental related articles. Recently in 2 weeks I read articles about I read the articles about the food safety because it's very essential.
Okay, thank you very much. You've spoken for 1.5 minutes and still I'm not clear what your topic is.
मैं आ रहा था कब
ये आ रहा था अब तो जाने का टाइम हो गया आना कब है हाँ so listen never start your answer with some indirect detail right now for example we've got this thing here 1 minute 23 seconds he took and the topic is describe something that saves your time so I couldn't hear what is that saves your time.
So read articles.
Reading art. So you should. Okay, listen. After every 4-5 sentences, you can give a reference. This is how I save my time. This is how I don't waste my time. This activity is a time saver for me. This should be added. Otherwise, you will go off the topic. Okay, all right. This is an important point. Okay. Anyways, let's go on. What can people do to save their time?
People can do any activities to save your times. The recent technologies, you could do any activities. For example, and means that for example, washing machines. It's a part of the technologies.
Any uses washing machine to wash the clothes. No, listen. Keep it simple. What can people do to save their time? People can do a lot of things to save their time. Number one, they can use technology to save their time. We have the technological gadgets and advances all around us. So if we use them, we can save our time. For example, washing machine. If we wash our clothes with our hands, it might take a lot of time. But if you have automatic washing machine, you can put your clothes in and you can do something else. ठीक है ऐसे बोलना है
okay sir
right okay good job but थोड़ा सा start from the topic and give reference of the topic okay time and again refer that okay thank you